Hey, welcome back. If you guys are new here and it's your first time, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please make sure you hit the bell notification, subscribe, comment. If you guys have any questions, I would love to answer them for you. I have a review today with my Louis Vuitton Discovery flat ankle boots. Wait, I am sorry that my box is upside down. My daughter's been coughing and I think I've been just a little too busy. So I just wanted to squeeze this video in real quick. Comes with a drawer that you can use for storage. This is last year's edition, so they do actually have a different style this year. It comes with your receipt in this little envelope. It looks like this. And I will give you the model number is 1A868L. And I bought these last year in 2019. And we can go over the receipt later on. All right, so let's pull these bad babies out. Here they are. All right, as you can see, it is black leather with the rubber bottom. Very, very nice. Monogram on the side right there. Spin it around. We have the monogram on the handle right here. Also, you have this beautiful monogram around the entire boot. It is very, very cute. All the way around. Very small monogram around the entire boot. This boot does have the gold hardware with the Louis Vuitton writing on it right there. On the inside, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. It's on the inside, on the bottom. All right. One thing I will say about these boots, I did order a size 39. And I had to send my boots back to get a size 40. They were just a little too tight for my comfort. It did come with 2 dust bags, but I only have one because I use the other one when I travel. All right, here is the other one, again with the black leather, the rubber bottom, the crisscross with the monogram on the side. Let me flip it over. On the bottom, you can see the LV with the size 40. Also, the bottom is, oops, sorry, rock out. Bottom is super duper sturdy. If you're like me, you will wear these all the time, especially in the winter, because I am from Wisconsin. So I like to leave my footprint with the Louis Vuitton logo in there. All right, so let me show you what these look like together. I absolutely love these boots. I pulled these boots out about 2 weeks ago and I've already worn them about 4 to 5 times. So I do put them away. I don't wear them all year round. I usually wear them from October to about February. Here's the other side. Again, with the rubber bottom, the monogram canvas on the back loop. It does crisscross in the back. Here's how they are looking from the other side. Again, you guys can wear these boots probably year round. I like to wear mine seasonal. So I paid on December 2nd, 2019. I paid $13.50 and I paid $74 in tax. So total was about $1404.48. And this year they did change the style of the boot and put the monogram towards the top part of it. And they are on the website for $15.50, but they are currently sold out. So you might have to contact your sales rep at the Louis store or click notify me to get those emails. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you do have any questions about these, I can answer if you leave in the comments below. Again, I appreciate everybody taking the time to watch my videos. I do enjoy doing these, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up, and watch for more videos. All right, see you guys later. Thank you.